Hey, this is Billy from Billy's Axe Repair of Rochester Hills. Well, we're changing out a pickup today in this ESP M1 Tiger to a Seymour Duncan Screamin' Demon. Go check out my Facebook page and you can get a full list of, well, most of what I do and prices, and you can send me an email. I want to be your one-stop for all your repairs and modifications, setups, restrings, install pickups like what I'm doing here. Alright, just changed out the pickup. I'm just going to wire back together. Flip it over to see the job.